Hello everybody. Once again I am here with you for the last point of this unit, that is the number system, and that one is ones complement and the twos complement. Is this one is the very simple part, but we left at that time, so let's cover it. So the first is to be as we are aware about that the binary number system itself is nothing but to be a only which contains 0 and 1. These two digits are to be there, and both these numbers are nothing but to be complement of each other is to be there. And here in this case, the one's complement is nothing but to be inverse of whatever be the digit is to be there, and that's why this one's complement is nothing but to be simply generally inversion of that whatever be the number is to be there. If you look at it here, the for an example 110010, this one is the binary number, and inverse of this, that is the 001101 is nothing but to be the first one's complement is to be there. In the same way, if you see the in a simple way to understand finding the one's complement is simply invert the each bit in simple way. Another one example is to be there, that is 10, this one is to be there 10101110. So for that it simply gives you inverse of every digit is nothing but to be here. For the 1 it is 0, for the 0 it is 1, another one is to be there, and for again next one it is to be 0, here it is to be there again. For this 0, here it is to be the 1, and again for the 3 1 it is 3 zeros, and for the last 0 it is the 1. So this is what the inverse of this is nothing but to be complement of that number, or the one's complement is to be there. Here is one another example, that is if you look at this case where the 10001.001, the complement of this each digits is nothing but to be 01110.110. completely you have to invert this and you will get this one's complement number is to be there. Just inverting each bit you will get the one's complement is to be there. So this is what the one's complement is to be there. And for the binary numbers, the one's complement are for the three digits are here given: 000, 111, 001, 110, 101, 010, 101, 011, 100, 100, 011, 101, 010, 110, 001, 111, 000. This is what they completely inverting the each bit you will get the one's complement is to be there. Now with this one's complement, it is very easy to understand the two's complement is to be there. In one's complement, just inverting the bit you will get the one's complement, and once you inverted this for to get the two's complement, you have to first convert that number into one's complement and just add 1 into that inverted or the complemented number is to be there. If suppose here is the example, if I want to do the two's complement for this number, that is 10010, then first you have to convert it into one's complement, and that will be for this one it is 0, for the 00 it is 11, and for the 10 it is 01 is to be there. And once you have done this one's complement, just you have to add 1 into this, and that will be 1 plus 1, 10, carry will be 1, and 0 plus 1, that is 1, again 1 1 1 1 is to be there, and 0 is to be there. So this is how you will get the 2's complement. For getting the 2's complement, what you have to do, first you have to convert that number into 1's complement. That means to be invert that each bit and just add 1 into the LSB, and you will get the 2's complement. So let's see the another one example to understand it clearly, that how this 2's complement works. So here is the another example which contains 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 is to be there. So first get the 1's complement of this. That means to be you will get the values here for this number will be if you look at this case where it is to be for the 101 it is 010, for the 0111 it is 1000, and last 0 it is 1. So this is what the 1's complement, and just add into it 1 and you will get the 2's complement of this number. So adding into this 1 you will get this number 010 10010. So this will be the your 1's complement is to be there. Another one example for converting 2's complement, it is with the fraction. That is again if you look at this case it is 10001.001. the same thing will be there. You have to invert it and you will get the 0.010. For this 00 it is 11, and for this one it is 0. So just add 1 into LSB and you will get the, again you have to add this one, and you will find this is to be where you have to add. You have to add in this fractions last LSB what is to be there. That means to be here you have to add 1 plus 0, that will be the 1 here, and 1 1 as it is 1 1 point 0 is to be there. So into the LSB you have to add this 1 to get the 2's complement. So be careful while doing this, and in this way you can convert the 1's complement here, sorry 2's complement is to be there. So here is the another example for the 2's complement, and in which for the 3 digits it is the binary number 000. No doubt 111 will be the 1's complement, and if you are going to be adding 1 into it, 1 plus 1 0, carry will be 1, again 1 plus 1 0, carry will be 1, again 1 plus 1 0, carry will be 1. So 2's complement will be again 0 0 1. 1's complement will be definitely 110, and if you will add into this 1 you will get 111. 010, no doubt the 1's complement will be 101, and if you will add 1 that will be 110 will be there. 011, if you will get this 100 as a inverting it, and if you will add 1 into it, 101 will be there, 2's complement. Similarly 100, 1's complement will be 011. If you add into this 1 you will get 1 plus 1 0, again 1 plus 1 0, and 1 plus 0, that is 1. So in this way you will get the 2's complement. Again 101, you will get the 1's complement as a 010, and adding into this 1 you will get the 011 as a 2's complement. In the same way 110, you will get the 1's complement 001, and adding into this 1 you will get 010, that is the 2's complement. So for the 111, again you will get the 000, and adding into this 1 you will get the 1's complement, 2's complement, that is 001 will be there. So 001 will be the 2's complement. So in this way simply you can get these values for the 1's complement and the 2's complement. Before concluding, I will repeat, for the 1's complement just you have to invert or get the complement of the each bit whatever the binary number you have given, and once you get that inverted number, that is nothing but to be your 1's complement. And if you are adding 1 into that LSB, that will convert into 2's complement. So this is what the simple way to convert the any binary number into 1's complement and the 2's complement. Thank you for the joining this session. Again, be at home and be safe. Thank you.